Hi guys, in today's video we will play this quiz: which country's money is called by what name? The video is going to be very interesting. Let's start today's quiz with a quick like. Who can give the correct answer to how many quizzes must tell in the comments? United States, dollar, India, rupee, Japan, yen, China, yuan, United Kingdom, pound, Saudi Arabia, rial, European Union, euro, Thailand, baht, Australia, Australian dollar, South Korea, won, Malaysia, ringgit, Mexico, peso, Russia, ruble, Turkey, lira, Indonesia, rupiah, Brazil, real, Switzerland, franc, Canada, Canadian dollar, Sudan, pound, Nepal, Nepali rupee, Pakistan, rupee, Singapore, Singapore dollar, Philippines, peso, Myanmar, Kyat, Kuwait, dinar, Sri Lanka, rupee, Iran, rial, Lebanon, pound, Argentina, peso, Poland, zloty,